So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to hook up a JBL soundbar to a Vizio TV, HDMI ARC, optical and Bluetooth. Method first is HDMI ARC. Connect an HDMI cable to a HDMI out port on the JBL soundbar. Then plug the other end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI port on the Vizio TV. Power on both the Vizio TV and the JBL soundbar. Press the source button on a JBL remote until it displays TV or ARC. Open TV setting by pressing the menu or gear button on your Vizio TV remote. Turn off TV speaker by navigating to audio, then TV speaker and selecting off. Enable remote control by going to system, then CEC and selecting enable for TV remote voice control. Second method is digital optical cable. Connect one end of the optical audio cable to the optical in port on your JBL soundbar, then connect the other end of the digital audio out port on the Vizio TV. Then turn on both devices. On your Vizio TV, press menu, then audio, then digital audio out and change it to PCM or bitstream. Set your TV speaker to off, then set the JBL soundbar source to optical or TV. Third method is Bluetooth. Turn on both the TV and the soundbar, then press and hold the Bluetooth button on the JBL soundbar and remote until the status light flash blue. On the Vizio TV, navigate to menu, then Bluetooth to audio output and search for audio devices. Then select the JBL soundbar for the list of available devices on the TV screen to connect. Thanks for watching.